That for me is like the primary thing to look at.
Again, when you have, hey, I have hundreds of teams and we have thousands of applications, and we're willing to kind of have this type of communication between the two. And we want to make sure each of these teams are self-sufficient. They can deploy independently. They're not, beholden to anybody else in terms of how they do any of their work.
Yeah, I think the interesting thing is when you look at it, you're like, what one factor do I need to think about to make this decision? And actually, when you start thinking it through, there are many factors. It starts being like, oh, it's this and this. Oh, and you end up with this big web of things that all influence your decision. Um, I've often simplified it by and in terms of all architecture by looking at the team that is working on the software and working out how to make it possible to subdivide the team so that they can all work independently. That for me is like the primary thing to look at. So I've worked on systems where it was a monolith initially, and then as the team grew, we start tripping over each other because we're all trying to change the same thing. And it makes sense to say, let's not all work in the same area.